What are you talking about? No. No, I'm busy. Don't you see I'm busy? Can't you see I'm eating my lunch? You do it. No, shut up. You. Okay, listen, you're pissing me off. I better get 2 lunch breaks if you want me to come over here. You look at this. Look, this is ridiculous. You guys, okay. Well, so much for my lunch break. Yeah, these guys are just, okay, listen, I'm in the middle of a whiskey sandwich, and these guys are all done. You're on the air. Oh, big woo, boo-hoo. Okay, fine. You know, okay, what do you got written here? Show me that. Show me that. Don't read. No, talk about it. I'm here already. I'm already here. You just give me a paper and I'll fucking talk about it. Give me this. What does this shit say? Who's doing it? NHL. I don't know nothing about no NHL. Okay, so there's the Stanley Cup Finals, and there's, who's gonna be in it? I don't know. Who's playing? Who's playing? Tell me! You have to tell me who's playing. I can't talk about the teams. You guys don't know what the fuck you're doing. Take these dishes. Take the dishes. Take the cup. I'm just gonna wing it. This is gonna do. I just need my whiskey sandwich. Give me this shit. Oh, yeah, that's good. So this is it. We're going to talk about these teams that are currently in the Stanley Cup. And there's the blue ones right there. I see them. I see the picture on the screen. They're blue guys. They got red shorts. Is that red? I can't tell. The guys, you got to pause the video for me, guys. I can't see it. Oh, whatever. So there's the blue shirts, and then there's the white shirts. Which ones are the white shirts again? What's away? What is? They kind of always. Sometimes they're not white. You're telling me that sometimes they're not. Okay, so there's this weird ass team who changes their shirts, and there's this team over here with blue shirts. I don't know. I'm sticking with the blue guys because who the fuck changes their shirts in the middle of a series? So here we go. The blue guys, they've got this what's his name? Alexander something. It's Alexander something. It's always Alexander. And there's the guys in the white alternating shirts, and he's got a Russian. You can tell. Look at his face. He's Russian. Of course he's Russian. Look at those eyes. He wants to kill a man. He wants to kill a man and wear his skin. Of course he's Russian. So anyway, the team, the blue shirts are gonna win. Of course they are, because you know what they got? They got blue shirts and not this alternating shirt crap. All right, I'm done. Can I have my whiskey sandwich back, please? Thank you.